Hey guys, what's up? So now we are back here looking at this big dog strategies. Another white moron coming into the country, disrespecting people, harassing, and doing all sorts of crazy stuff which are really offending. I don't know why, bakit ba natin hinahayaan na makapasok tong mga ganitong klaseng tao. They bring nothing here in our country. Wala naman silang magandang purpose or whatsoever. See? Educational, comedian. It's bullshit. And tignan nyo, all his contents, yung mga contents niya, diba? May mga kung ano-ano like about drugs on his backpack na hindi siya na-apprehend. Grabe. And then, tignan mo yung mga description niya on places here in the Philippines. He is really mocking the country and the people itself. So let's take a good look at one of his videos. Ayan, so right now he starts yapping about some random shit. And yeah, I turned on the CC on one of his videos para makita ninyo yung ibang sinasabi niya kasi baka mamaya mag-overlap yung usapan na yung boses ko sa boss niya.
Hey, what do you think should happen to the people that try to lock me up in a room and watch my behavior? Should I kill them? I think I should kill them.
He keeps on threatening people. Ayan, tignan nyo dyan. Kahit yung guard na yan, iti-threaten niya. Coops, as in coops malala. Grabe.
Because they fucking locked me in a room. And fucking drugged me, right? That's not legal, bro. I can kill you now, bro.
No cap, no cap.
That's what the Philippines likes. That's why he's not looking up. Yup, I can kill you, bro.
Why do you keep on saying the word N? You're not even a black dude. You're nothing but a white moron. So these white people coming into another country thinking that they can do whatever they want, whatever nasty thing that they're up to will be ignored, should have never been allowed in the first place. Diba? Diba? Tingin niya kasi hindi siya naiintindihan eh. But in reality, Filipino people can understand what he's saying. Although yeah, there are a few, some na hindi siya masyado naiintindihan, lalo't mabilis siya magsalita. But see? He's really vexing. He's such an eyesore.
They're like girls and trying to act like they're fucking, I don't know, what the fuck are they acting like, bro? They're acting like a man or some shit, bro.
Diba?
Bro, she's acting like she's a fucking businessman on the phone making $1 million a year.
Yung nakatayo lang yung tao doon. Kung ano nung pinagsasabi niya.
Hater, bro. Hater, fucking hater right here.
Diba? I don't know what guys, but I think this is one fine mockery.
What up, my niggas? It's a beautiful day to be in a relationship, huh? Because you won't get raped.
Diba, how could someone use the word rape so casually?
Hell no! I got raped, bro!
Who the fuck's gonna rape you? You don't even look that good. No, you don't look good at all.
I'm not helping you. Fuck that! I'm never gonna help them.
He's one crazy son of a bitch. Diba? Vlog ka pa. Huwag ka na mag-vlog, oy. This kind of people should be deported right away. Actually, they shouldn't have been given a permit to enter the country. Should be given back to their country. White people's always mocking, especially Asian countries.
Fucking starving me out here. Fucking starving me, bro.
And I've seen a lot of them. O, kita mo, ito, he's in an establishment. And then disturbing everyone in here.
Looking at me, bro. Thinks she's the shit. She ain't shit, though. She probably just fucking raped someone, too. Okay. She thinks she's the shit, too, but she also ain't shit, bro. She thinks she can look a man that killed people in his eyes. You can't look a man that killed someone in his eyes. That doesn't make sense. Is that allowed, guys? That doesn't make sense. Bro,
This guy's really crazy.
I don't understand people, bro. Why does a girl with an ass like this think she could do this to me, bro? Why? I don't understand.
Diba? People know that you're not allowed to record on places like this, on establishments like this.
Females working. That's why. Females working. They're kicking me out. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this female right here, bro. Look at all this shit, bro. These people think they know what's going on with them and shit. And they're just kicking a nigga out for no reason, bro. This bitch is retarded, bro. Look at the retarded bitch. Look at her brain. Look through her head and her brain. Look at this bitch too. Look at this guy. Hey, bye, bitch. Once I get my man's back, you're gonna regret this, okay? Fuck you. Fuck all these fucking pieces of shit. Fucking pieces of shit.
Grabe.
Burn in fucking hell. My name is Gabriel Coronel. I came from the Quiapo Army, nigga. I'm the Quiapo Army General, nigga.
Grabe ka, grabe.
Nigga. I'm the Quiapo Blood Gang General, nigga. The #1 star, not 5.
He obviously seems to be on drugs. Or if not, he's a total piece of shit. Just another white guy coming to another country thinking that they can do whatever shit they want.
Machines existed. You know how hard it is for me to get money? You know how many females that have jobs are trying to kill me with this stupid ass piece of shit job?
Talking shit about our country. Anyway, so plain stupid. Yung video niya is so stressing. Bukod sa pagkuha niya, syempre, ay sobrang likot. And aside from that, well, nakakainis na masyado nating niningitian sila or giving them smiles, but what they're doing are really unacceptable. And I hope sana this kind of actions mawala na talaga, na hindi na makapasok yung maraming mga gentong klaseng mga pag-uugaling foreigners, especially the white ones, or actually not just the white, a lot of other foreigners doing those kind of things, not only here in the Philippines but also in other countries. So anyway, yeah, I hope this gets to the proper authority and that he be reprimanded and properly sanctioned because of his Vid's actions and the way he is vexing people around him, innocent passerbys. Anyway, that's it, guys. So we'll be revealing more of these white morons doing their vlogs or stupid pranks, just like what happened to that guy, yung si Vitali, diba? Sobrang kupal. Anyway, I'll see you guys, and let us not tolerate this kind of behaviors anymore. Diba? If someone comes up to you, doesn't matter if they're white or whatsoever, report them to the authorities if they keep on doing things like this. No, at the very first instance, report them.